All right, welcome back. Let's start with some steamy news. You guys ready for this?
Yes.
Matthew McConaughey reveals marriage advice in his new book, Poems and Prayers, taking us right into his bedroom. With a surprising tip for keeping love strong. Now, the actor, married to Camila Alves for 13 years, suggests downsizing from a king to a queen-size bed to stay physically close.
Say what?
Yeah.
Okay. He explains that while larger beds are great for families with kids, they can create too much distance once the children are grow out of co-sleeping. So McConaughey insists that sharing a smaller bed keeps couples shoulder to shoulder, strengthening intimacy and connection.
What you think about this, Auntie?
So you would think the twin bed that my husband and I had was really good, right? I mean, I'm working with
That's why she had 4 babies.
I know.
Very fruitful. All right, here's another story. This one is kind of disturbing. I don't know if you guys saw this video. This was actually circulating online. Take a look at this video right here. Now, this happened during a Thursday evening JV game. You see that? Between Lakeshore and Kalamazoo Central High Schools in Michigan. After the play, the larger teen appeared to perform a WWE-style move, a splash, flattening his opponent. Right there, look at that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yikes. The 15-year-old was carted off the field, treated for 2 spinal fractures, and prescribed muscle relaxers after being released from the hospital. His mom said he won't return for the rest of the season, and doctors are still evaluating whether he can play again.
What is the deal, yeah?
I know, that's crazy.
2 spinal fractures, Auntie.
Oh my gosh.
it's it's appalling.
Yeah.
And nobody rushed to his rescue at the time that it was first.
That's right.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Mama Bear, what would you guys do?
Oh, I was going to say, I was just going to try to hold me back from the field. I'm on there.
I wouldn't wait for my husband to
Right?
get up.
Yeah.
No, I'm on the field.
Yeah, that's right, Auntie. Me and Auntie. Uh-oh.
All right, both schools and the Michigan High School Athletic Association are investigating the incident internally.
Yikes.
Yeah, interesting. We'll follow that story. Still